Hey guys, it's Zoshi here, back with another video today, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can install TidaLuna on Tidal. So I did make a video quite a while ago now, probably last year I think, where we were using Neptune. So Neptune is basically what people used before TidaLuna. TidaLuna and Neptune basically allow you to run plugins on Tidal. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you how you can install that today and get it running, and some of the best settings, the settings that I use, and yeah. So first of all, we'll go over to the TidaLuna page. This will be in the description if you want to check it out. So as you can see, it's a client mod for the Tidal client, a successor to Neptune. It lets developers create and users run plugins to modify and enhance the Tidal client. So it's currently in beta, and yeah. So first of all, you need to install Tidal, of course. Have Tidal up and running with logged in and stuff and everything like that. And then you'll need to go down here to download and run the Luna installer. And if I click on that, it's going to take me over to the Luna installer page. And all you need to do is just go down here to Windows. If you're using Mac, then obviously use this, or Linux. But for Windows, you want to click this one, Installer Windows x86 64. Go ahead and download that. And it's an executable file, so you just open it up. It will say that Smart Screen has prevented it from running, but it's okay, it's not a virus, you press run anyway. And then that will go ahead and open up a page. You'll need to accept the UAC prompt, and then TidaLuna will open up. So as you can see, I've already got TidaLuna installed, but all I'll need to do is leave this on default and press install here. It will go ahead and install down at the bottom, and then once it's done, you can go ahead and exit the window. So as you can see, I've already installed the program at the moment, so I don't need to do anything here, but you'll probably see an install button here. Just click on that and just wait for it to complete. After that, you just exit here, and then you'll go ahead and open up Tidal real quick. So just ignore that. So Tidal will open up, and you should see in the top left that it will say TidaLuna Beta. So this means that the actual program is installed. So all you need to do to change the settings for TidaLuna is click up here, which is your profile avatar, go over to Luna settings, and this will go ahead and open up the Luna settings. So I'm just going to go ahead and start from the settings here. So as you can see, we're currently using the latest version of the program, which is 1.14 beta. You can reinstall the client here or factory reset, export your settings or import your settings. Now what I'm going to do is show you my settings that I use. So you can see, you've got a ton of settings here that you can use. A lot of this stuff I don't actually know what they do, and there isn't really a description on what they do, but the settings that I have here is what work fine for me. So if you want to copy them, then you can. But yeah, these are my settings. You can pause the video and copy them if you'd like. All of this is the same, you don't need to change anything here. You also have themes. I haven't really dabbled into that really much. You might be able to find some themes online, but it's quite a bit difficult to find them. But yeah, we have the plugin store. So in the plugin store, you'll be able to add plugins that are made by different people. So you'll be able to find them here, and you'll have to choose them. You just click on install and it will add it. Now, the settings that I use, which I would recommend for everybody to use, is the up next. So it shows the upcoming song in the player bar. So it shows the up next label, shows the cover art, and shows the artist name. I leave this on because it's quite useful. QOL, so quality of life improvements. I'm not exactly sure what this does, but I do keep it on and I haven't noticed any issues. No buffer, which is to kicks the Tidal CDN if the current playback stalls. I haven't had a reason to use this, so unless you have issues with buffering, I really wouldn't use it. I don't really have issues with buffering, so I don't have it enabled, but you can add that if you want. Now, Real Max. This is a very important plugin that you want to add, because when playing songs, if there is a higher res version available, it will use that. So if you're playing a song that's in 16-bit, what it will do is it will go ahead and find a 24-bit version, or that's a higher bit rate and a higher, basically 2016 24-bit higher, so it basically 24-bit. And this is very important because it means that you'll always get the best quality for the song that you're listening to. You also have the song release date. I keep this on because it allows the release date of the current song to be played. So as you can see, I've got some rain sounds playing here. Well, they're not playing right now, but it says here that it was released in 2024. This is quite a useful feature to be able to see when songs are released. I really recommend having this enabled. Tidal tags. So this adds the tags to showing track qualities and current song quality. So I keep all of these on. So if I go ahead and go over to this real quick, you'll be able to see that it shows the bitrate, the sample rate, and the depth. And it also shows a high res icon here, which I quite like. So if you're searching in here for songs, you'll be able to find the best quality songs through that method. And so if I search in here like rain sounds or something like that, this is just what I've been listening to. You go over to tracks here, you're able to see that it shows you all of the bit rates for all of the songs, so you'll be able to find exactly the one that has the best quality. So let's go back to the TidaLuna settings. You also have Discord RPC. So if you use Discord and you want Discord to show what song you are listening to, this is an important plugin to have, because Tidal doesn't actually work with work with Discord's rich presence, so it won't show what you're playing. You'll need to enable this if you want people to see what you're listening to. Spotify already has this by default, but Tidal doesn't, so you have to use this plugin. Now, to get these plugins, you just go over to Plugin Store, and you'll just need to search for the plugin. So I'll search Real Max, and as you can see, we found it. Press install here, and it will add it to the list of plugins that are enabled. So that is how you install plugins. You can copy all the plugins that I have if you'd like. I found that these plugins are the best for me, but you might find some plugins here that you want to use as well. But I haven't really noticed any of the other settings really that I need to use. But if you want to use them, you just click on install and it can add it to the program. So that is how you install TidaLuna and add plugins. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. You also have to see supporters as well if you'd like to see that. But yeah, hope you guys have enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.